Hello, this is Nathan with Rocky Mountain Twist and Montana Brand Tools. Today we're going to be talking about our self-centering drill driver. And specifically what this allows you to do is make sure you place your hole exactly in the center of an existing countersunk hole. Most commonly popular for shelf brackets or hinge brackets, where you're trying to put your hole directly in the center of your hinge so that when you do place it, it doesn't inadvertently shift on you. Let's take a look at how it works. So in this case, we're using our number 10 self-centering tool, which means that it's set up to fit this particular hinge with its chamfer and pre-drill diameter. We also have them available in other sizes as well. And as you press down, it's going to drill that hole right in the center, keep your hinge lined up. I put a line on here because I just wanted to illustrate that that's where I want the hinge to stay. Okay, at this point, you can just flip that tool around. Now you're at the drive-in. It's magnetic, it's a very strong neodymium magnet. You'll notice every one of these screws is ending up directly in the center where it's pre-drilled. Your hinge is located, you can see the line there, exactly where we wanted it placed originally. Parts are square, flush, and operate accordingly. That is the self-centering drill and driver tool from Montana Brand Tools.